Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Today we're here staying in a one-bedroom unit in the Molokai Tower, the original section at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. And that means I'm going to take you on a room tour of what is actually a brand new renovated unit. We might in fact be the first people to stay in it since they reopened that room. Let's head down this hallway and we're going to check it out right after this. Okay, so when we come into this one-bedroom unit here at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club, this is in the older towers and we're in a garden view unit. So right here on my left-hand side, we do have one of the bathrooms. This is actually a one-bedroom, two-bath. A pretty good-sized bathroom here. You have a nice big mirror there, single vanity, lots of counter space, plenty of towels, and then here you do have a shower with a tub. So the tub there, and of course you have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Then there's a shower head up here, but that shower head looks like it's kind of the wrong direction. Let's straighten that up a little bit. So yeah, really nice. Looks like a renovated bathroom here because they're doing a lot of renovations in and around here. In fact, when we were walking down the hallway, they were actually had rooms closed down and doing painting in them. Before we begin to check out the rest of this beautiful unit, are you interested in visiting Marriott's Maui Ocean Club? If you're headed to the beautiful island of Maui, be sure to take a look at Red Timeshares. They offer premier timeshare vacation rentals, ensuring you have a fantastic vacation experience. Click on the link in the video description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code right here on the screen to explore Red Timeshares. They stand apart from other timeshare booking websites. As soon as you find a reservation you want, you can book it and pay for it instantly on their website with no additional processing or booking fees. Rest assured, you can rely on Red Timeshares to get your family the perfect accommodations in Hawaii and many other resort destinations. Thanks to Red Timeshares for sponsoring this video, and now let's continue showing you this one-bedroom unit at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. But out here, also just inside the door, we have this really great kind of storage area, shelves there to store all kinds of stuff. Then we have an apartment-sized refrigerator, so great to have this here. There is unfortunately no ice maker, but they did give us an ice cube tray there. But it is good to have this kind of little bit larger refrigerator instead of that kind of normal bar-sized refrigerator that they usually have. Then in here we have a dining room table for 4 people. Big mirror there on the wall. Kind of across from that, or in this living room area, we do have a sofa, kind of an ottoman coffee table thing here, and a chair. And of course, this is going to pull out probably into a full or queen size sleeper. Then here we have a kitchenette. So nice big kind of deep sink here. We were just in a kitchenette at the Westin Princeville Ocean Resort Villas on Kauai, and it had the tiniest little sink. I'll put a link to that video up here, room tour of that unit. It was just a deluxe studio, so check that one out if you're interested in going to Kauai. Let's see what we have in all these cupboards here. This one here has kind of our glassware for 4 people. So yeah, there's a measuring cup up there too. And we have an ice bucket. We have a microwave, and above the microwave, looks like there's some storage containers and a pitcher. Then in this cupboard, we do have our dinnerware for 4 people as well. So salad bowl up there, coffee mugs, some serving dishes, plates, and bowls. On the counter, we have our blender, our toaster, knife block, coffee supplies, and a coffee maker. And let's see what we have in these drawers and cupboards below the counter. We do have our silverware for 4 people, some dish towels there. Let's see what's in here. We have some cooking utensils. There's a whisk, a cheese grater, ladle, that kind of stuff. Let's see what we have down here. Down here we do have pots and pans for what I didn't see actually was a cooktop. So no cooktop to actually use these on, but they do have a community kitchen. And I'll show that in the resort tour. I'll point that resort tour out at the end of the video where you can go and watch that. But they do have kind of a community kitchen where you can use those pots and pans. And down here we do have some kitchen supplies and some laundry detergent. Then under here, this is going to be our trash. And we also have a dishwasher here too. So great to have a dishwasher. I really don't like doing dishes when I'm on vacation. Walking through our living area here, we do have a big flat screen television up here on the wall. Some more storage over here. There is a lamp here, and I noticed that I couldn't figure out how to turn this on. It's because there's like a switch kind of on the cord there. You step on it. It's kind of turned upside down right now, but you step on that switch and it turns it on and off. Now we are on a ground floor unit, so we have a patio here. We'll actually walk out to the patio on the other side. This unit does have kind of 2 split patios, because these were originally hotel room units. So we had a hotel room on this side, we had a hotel room there in where the bedroom is, so each of them had their own patio. But we'll look at the patio on the bedroom side here when we get to that towards the end of the video. Yeah, in here we have a big chair, so really great to have that big chair there. Kind of wondering, does it maybe pull out as well? Let's take a look. It looks like it does pull out maybe into kind of a single bed, so that's kind of handy. You can potentially get up to 5 people in here. Then in here we do have the king size bed, a couple of nightstands. These lamps are really cool because they actually have 2 sets of lights. You can turn off the light up there, keep this one on down here, or you can switch it and then just kind of turn the other one off. So I thought that was really neat. Kind of 2 lamps in one. We do have a television here, kind of attached to the wall above this chest of drawers. Nice little desk over here. This is kind of handy. Great to have a little desk there. And a lamp here, and found the switch is actually on the cord there to turn that on and off. So yeah, really nice kind of bedroom area here. It's nice and big. And I'm also noticing, I do want to point out, exposed USB and power on this side. The other side has an alarm clock that has exposed USB and power on top of it. Now, one great thing about these units here at Maui Ocean Club is they actually have 2 bathrooms. But before we take a look at the second bathroom here, let's just take a quick look in this closet. Some storage here, hangers, where you're going to find the in-room safe. And there's a luggage rack there and a laundry basket. Oh, and over here we do have iron and ironing board. So now let's go in here and take a look at the bathrooms. You have a big bright lighted mirror there and another kind of large single vanity. Lots of towels, your toilets here. Then this one actually has a walk-in shower. Let's just open this up and take a look in here. So again, shower head kind of just like the other one. Has a hand wand there too, and your pump, conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. So now that we've seen that, let's walk out here to the patio. We're going to take a look at our view from this unit at Maui Ocean Club. So let's see how tricky this one is. Now, that just opened, so the screen was easy. Looks like we have a latch here. And do I just pull this? No, I need to flip that. And there we go. That one wasn't too bad. So out here we do have just kind of 2 chairs and a small table. I noticed it was actually the same on the other side. That's kind of the patio over there for the living room side of this unit. And then something nice here, we do have walkout access to the pool area. You can just see the pool down over there. So great to have that kind of walkout access, though there is no way to lock this patio door when you leave. So somebody either has to stay in here or go out through kind of the main door. So there you have it, the 1-bedroom unit here at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club. We're actually in the Molokai Tower, so it's a really great unit here. Nice to have this walkout access though, but like you see, we have no view whatsoever. If you want to see another video from here at Marriott's Maui Ocean Club, it will be the full resort tour. Check that out right here coming up next. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with these videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.